Hey, it's Mike, and I'm visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Sydney to show you what happens when they work on a 2019 MacBook Pro that suddenly stopped powering on, leaving the customer unable to access years of important files. Today I'm meeting with Wei, one of their data recovery engineers, to show you how he uncovered a hidden problem that had been silently damaging the laptop, a common issue that can affect any of us. When he opened the MacBook, he noticed extensive dust buildup underneath the logic board that had entered through the standard air vents. This contamination caused electrical interference near critical components like the power relays. Using his multimeter, he found that one capacitor had short-circuited due to dust contamination. The system was only getting 5 volts instead of the required 20 volts. After replacing the damaged capacitor, the power was restored, but the laptop still wouldn't boot and remained stuck in recovery mode. Here's the breakthrough. The sudden power shutdown had corrupted the T2 chip's firmware. The T2 chip controls secure boot, storage encryption, and device management. When there's unexpected power loss, like what happened here, it can corrupt the firmware and brick the entire MacBook. This commonly occurs during interrupted macOS updates too. Using specialized revival techniques, he successfully restored the T2 chip, bringing the MacBook back to life. The final step was cloning all data to a new external drive. MacBooks are among the hardest devices for data recovery since the SSD is built into the logic board. Only companies like Payam with expertise, training, and experience can handle these complex cases. If you have a similar problem, Payam Data Recovery offers a free assessment and quote.